What is up, everyone? Matt, back at you. Yep, that's it. Just back at you for another video. Another unboxing here. Pokemon Mega Camerupt whatever, EX Premium Collection. So yeah, got ourselves another one. Like I say, this is number 3 out of 4. So let's get right into this. Let's just pull this other thing here. Smack, whack, crack, pull. Alright, so what do we got here? Got ourselves some evolutions, some moon, some cards getting stuck in there. Out you come, Mr. Card. Thank you. And the coins. There we go. There's the coin. Piece of plastic over there. Very loud noises for everyone. That looks like Bowser from Mario, but it's not. It's this person here. Camerupt EX. So, we also got ourselves a pin. It's a volcano. Focus. There we go. Good camera. You could do it. You're such a good camera. So hopefully everybody's doing well. Steam Siege, Fates Collide. Sun and Moon. Steam Siege again. Sun and Moon again. Evolutions again. Oh, another card. I think that... yeah, because there's 3 up front. Yeah, okay, so it just kind of flew off into the back. No card for that. Just the camera back. Pull out the Mega card. So like I say, hopefully everyone's doing well out there. Hopefully your weeks have been going well, enjoying your summertime holiday. Like I say, unless you're in Australia, then it's winter time. Hopefully your winter time isn't too cold in Australia. Sun and Moon, Steam Siege, Sun and Moon, Fates Collide, Steam Siege. Organization, man, organization. Let's go with Steam Siege first. So, yeah, it's been a little while, a week or so. Yeah, not too much going on. I'm just enjoying my few days off from work. Let in, nose pass. Doing a whole bunch of just kind of getting stuff done around, well, not really my house. Primate and a Mega Gradivory? I don't know. It's an EX card. It's a Mega Evolution. This camera just will not focus at all. What the heck is up with it? It is struggling horribly. I haven't had this many problems since, well, ever. What? Okay, yeah, I'm sorry about that. I honestly don't know what the heck to do about that. Everything is just not in focusing. It's just a Logitech webcam, so I can't adjust anything. At least not that I know of. It's just, I don't know why, just being weird. Maybe it's time to look at a replacement. See how much they cost. Hopefully not a lot. Tangula. So anyways, I haven't really been doing much. Doing a few things around the house. Washed the car. Haven't done that in a little while. Figured it was about time. And yeah, that's been it. Out to a friend's place. Yeah, pretty dull. Pretty boring. Sun and Moon up next. What do y'all? Leave a comment down below. What have you been doing all summer? What have you been doing keeping yourself busy? You know, with the world going to, well, we all know how that's going. No, what have you been doing to keep your sanity? You've been playing a lot of Pokemon stuff online. Really? Have you been able to get out to play Pokemon Go at all? Kinda lucky. I guess I get to go out when I go to work. And trainer, yeah, we put those all in there. And yeah, since I work in a downtown area, it's usually pretty active. So get to do that, get to kind of play around. And besides that, that's all. So leave a comment down below. And don't forget, leave a thumbs up while you're down there. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you've been doing all summer. How many Pokemons have you caught? How many cards have you caught? Hundreds? Thousands? Tens of thousands? Hundreds of millions? Dragonair. Hey, I haven't got that many. Only a couple. These few boxes, plus those booster boxes coming in. Oh, decisions. First one to fall gets opened. I think it was evolutions. Best 2 out of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. It looks like same time. Go. Yeah, it looks like evolution was falling first. That means it's a heavy pack. That means there's a card worth $800,000 in here. That didn't go as planned. Look at that, $800,000 right there. That Pikachu card worth $500 million. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. I'm retiring tomorrow. Growlithe, Onix, Nidoran, Voltorb, and Mega Blastoise EX. Heck yeah, brother. Pardon me. But yeah, that's 2 of them. 2 Megas right there. I don't have that one at all. That one is brand new to the collection. Trainer card, and a code card. Go over there. Okay, hey, you know what? I just realized that one fell faster than Fates Collide, so it was heavier. Ha 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 ha. All right, Fates Collide, you got some competition. You gotta beat this Mega Blastoids. Can you do it? So far, you can't. Coffin, Cottony, Lavatar, Grumpig, and Regirock. Regirock EX. Cool. I mean, Mega Blastoids is still better. Onrite, Devour Spray, on the white backing card. So there you go. There's all the packs opened. I'd say value for money on this one. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, if you're gonna get it on sale, like I got this one on sale, I think it was only $25, $30, something like that. It wasn't all that much. But yeah, I mean, if you're gonna get it on sale, I'd say not bad, but that's just me. I'm not really very judgmental on what card packs are inside. I just enjoy opening the card packs, seeing what you get inside, and add new stuff to my collection. And here is to add some new stuff to your collection with the online game. That's right, some cool cards for you. All from Guardians Rising. Back before I started making YouTube videos. Stacks on stacks on stacks of code cards. Pretty much a stack and a stack on stack. round stack of code cards, all which need to be given away at some point in time, and there's still more. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned, because if I run out of cards to open, we'll be giving away these. Whoop, can't have them fall down because I'll reveal the codes. That's not how codes be planned. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to give away more code cards, give it 2 thumbs up. No, that will disconnect. Just give it a thumbs up if you want more code cards. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget, 10,000 subscribers, and it will be a booster box giveaway. So yeah, 10,000 subscribers by August 1st, 2021, and we will, well, not we will, but I will spend some money, precious money, on a booster box and give it away to one lucky winner. Now let's not forget, next year is the Pokemon 25th anniversary, so it could be something really cool, it could be something really precious and sought after and very collectible. Who knows? Can't predict the future. But I can predict you will like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Hit that delicious, delicious subscribe button. You know you want to. It's free. It's the only thing free in life. Well, air is also free. I'm sure they'll find a way to tax that. Alright, have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Keep it real. Stay safe. Stay positive. See you in the next video. I've said that twice now.